Just go down, you fucking tard. Just go down. It's not that bad, you're gonna do fine.
Okay, I'm going.
Oh. Did that hurt? Did that hurt, Michaela? No! Alright, Roddy? Oh wait, maybe we should go this way. Roddy! Go! Do I have to push you guys? Come on, go. Oh my god.